Hello, this is Chris Doughty from Gentian Financial. I just was doing some research and I thought from time to time I would share some of these very interesting slides that I've gone through and was reading through and kind of the takeaways from those. And I know a lot of you rely on us for this. So let me show you a couple of things here. One, it's a great piece we have from one of our foundational investments. It's kind of a piece that shows how the markets move. And what's quite interesting about it is it's called the bumpy road to the market's long-term average. Now, over history, the market does somewhere around 10% return or so. And that's true. But what's really interesting is how did it get there? This slide gives us a really good example of how that happens. When you take a look at it, this side over here is 1926. So when I go really far back to it, it's showing you 1926 right here, okay? This goes to today. And what's really interesting about this is it shows that little band you see right in here. That is the average return of the market. And that band shows a 2% band around it. What's very interesting, and some of the stats over here will show you, is that the market actually typically does extremely well or extremely poor, only to average this number. As a matter of fact, in just 10% of the last 95 years, or about 9 years of these, has the market ever been within that band. Look at it, you'll find it only a couple of very few times here has it been inside that 10% band. That means we have to be used to and prepared for what normally happens, and that is yearly returns that are as high as up 54 or down as low as down 43, like you'll find back here as well in 1946, and very close to that in 2008 as well. But again, what's really interesting about this is the path we all hear about is not what you expect. They don't tell you it's going to be a bumpy ride all the way around. This is what you need to know to be an equity investor. This is what you need to know to stay invested, to stick to a long-term plan, is what the ride might look like. There's a lot of twists and turns, a lot of adaptability here. Since 1926, actually, it's 70 times the market's been positive, and 25 times it's actually been negative for negative years. So as we look back over our life and we start to look at some of the statistics here, I just want to give you an idea of what the journey will look like, what it has looked like, and I'm pretty certain on a forward basis it'll look very similar as well. So this is Chris Doughty again from Gentian Financial, giving you some financial perspectives here on a great chart that I think you should know a little bit more about. Thank you very much. We appreciate you being clients, or if you're somebody new and you'd like to talk to us more, please feel free to let us know. Thank you and have a great, great day.